the work I'm presenting is part of a larger research effort we have in my lab. So we are working to try and build technology to help combat human trafficking. So to this end, we looked a lot at how law enforcement uses technology and how they sort of go about an investigation process to find trafficking victims and rescue them. This is an important problem to consider because there are currently in the world over 40 million victims of trafficking. And the State Department estimates that we found less than 1% of them. So if we can design technology that helps law enforcement in these cases, that means we're finding more victims and working to combat this problem. So to this end, we found a number of challenges law enforcement faces. They have a need for tools that can help them understand big data, works that help with information visualization. How can we visualize the kind of data they have and help them understand the machine learning models that go on underneath them? We also found that there's a need for unified databases. So one of the challenges we saw with law enforcement is that they have access to a lot of different tools, but none of these tools interoperate. So a police officer may have 7 different databases that they need to search across to get different kinds of records. And not a single one of those is connected in any way. So they have to go with database 1, then database 2, then database 3. And that can get confusing and it's hard to keep track of data. And to make this worse, trafficking victims may travel between jurisdictions. The police department, let's say in Atlanta, and the police department, let's say in Roswell, might use completely different software. So it's hard for them to be able to share that kind of data in a way that's automatic. They have to rely on a lot of human systems. So how can we design to sort of keep all of these human systems that they develop, but at the same time give them some of the tools that we have access to as computing professionals?